Hi guys, so the Mindful Baker here. I know I'm not wearing my Mindful Baker apron and I'm in a completely different place. I will show you why I'm in this different place, and I'll show you why you're not going to get a video for the next couple of weeks, because if you look at this, we are packing. Whitney and I, she's my wife to be, are moving out of London. See, notice all of the stuff there. That's our current bedroom, so that's fine. Just doing that. Right. Now, let's just have a look. I just figured I could just show you the excitement that's going on in my life at the moment, because at the moment, yeah, I'm not really able to do a lot of videos. Oh, look what we've got down here. We've got a little cat. We call, say it, oh, no, I don't know how to do that. There. Can you say hello, Dee Dee? Oh, look at that. See, I like cats. I've got it all. I'm really good at this. Oh no, this is not working very well. So yeah, so basically, yeah, the whole point of this video is just to say that we're moving, and when the new house that we move to, it's going to have, or I'm going to be building a whole bakery in it, and I'm going to be setting up the Mindful Baker properly from there. I'll be selling obviously all the pizza stuff and everything, and I will be doing courses from there in its own venue, my own little mindful baking venue, which is going to be incredible. So that will obviously got to build the barn and everything where it's going to be, but it's just so exciting, and this is just part of the new adventure for the Mindful Baker, and I'm just so very, very, very excited, and I hope that I will eventually start getting some followers. So please, guys, do share all my videos. Just ask questions and subscribe. Subscribe is the way forward, because for some reason at the moment I don't have a lot of followers. I've actually lost followers recently, or lost subscribers. For some, I don't know why. Maybe I'm just not giving enough good content, but I'm trying to give lots of good content. And obviously I'm doing cookie stuff. I'm doing mindful stuff, do bakery stuff, do everything. So just keep it going, and just trying to give people inspirational chats, motivation. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. So the Mindful Baker is going to be, yeah, just doing lots of stuff, and in a new venue. So I will show you, I reckon next week's video, I will, because we're moving out on Saturday, I will give a great selection of videos of how we moved and everything, and then after that we'll just get to it. Anyway, guys, it's a short one today. Please just like it. Just ask me questions. Ask questions. Like, subscribe. That sort of stuff. And then we just get this mindful baking stuff going well. Bye bye.